A Little Italy was first invented by Audrey Saunders of the Pegu Club not too long ago, actually. And it's a variation of a Manhattan that's based on different neighborhoods. So there's like a Greenpoint, there's a Carroll Gardens, and these are all kind of variations on the same theme. So the Little Bologna is almost a carbon copy of the Little Italy, made with Amaro Montenegro instead of sweet vermouth. To make the Little Bologna, you add ½ ounce of Cynar, 3/4 ounce of Amaro Montenegro, 2 ounces of bonded rye whiskey. You stir over ice, pour into a chilled coupe, and garnish with the zest of an orange peel. And that's a Little Bologna, an Amaro Montenegro take on a Little Italy.